Whether you're planning a trip to Japan or living here with a little knowledge of the language, it's important to understand that there are often few English explanations available on signage and printed material. Hopefully this quick video will introduce you to some important daily kanji, or Chinese characters, that the Japanese language uses. You may not need to be able to write them, but if you can recognize or compare them to samples, it should make your life easier. First, a brief overview of the Japanese writing system, which consists of three main scripts: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. In everyday writing, all three scripts are used together. Hiragana and katakana support kanji characters by providing phonetic readings or indicating grammatical elements. Hiragana. Hiragana is a phonetic script made up of 46 characters. Each character represents a syllable sound in the Japanese language. Hiragana is used for native Japanese words, verb endings, grammatical elements, and to help with pronunciation. It has rounded and curvy shapes, giving it a kind of softer look. Katakana. Katakana is also a phonetic script with 46 characters. Like hiragana, each character represents a syllable sound. Katakana is primarily used for foreign loanwords, scientific terms, and emphasis. It has angular and straighter lines compared to hiragana, giving it a sharper appearance. And finally, kanji. Kanji are logographic characters borrowed from Chinese. They represent both meaning and sound. There are thousands of kanji characters, and they are used to write just about everything. Many of the same written kanji have different readings, which just adds to their complexity. Well, one of the most important kanji to recognize is when you need to use the toilet. Many places have image signage without kanji, but others don't. If you need to go, look for otearai. You might also see another common wordage, and maybe a bit easier to remember, written in the Japanese katakana language like this: toire. And why might you need to use the toilet? It might be because you've had too much alcohol. For those of you who like to imbibe a bit, the next kanji is really important. This is the kanji for sake, or alcohol. It's a little confusing as we use the term sake in English for Japanese rice wine, which they actually call nihonshu in Japanese. But anyways, look for this kanji for places to buy alcohol, which in Japan are plentiful. They should identify convenience stores, alcohol shops, sections in supermarkets, bars, restaurants, and so on. And if you've had too much alcohol, already used the toilet, and still feel bad, you might need to look for a drugstore or pharmacy. If so, look for this kanji: kusuri, or medicine. Shops displaying this will have some kinds of medicine available, usually including prescription medicine as well. And if you've had too much alcohol, already used the toilet, tried some medicine but it didn't work, you may need to visit a hospital. So if so, look for this kanji: byoin. Hopefully they will be able to help you. But even if they do, you're going to need to pay for their services, so you'll need to find a bank. Here's the kanji to look for that: ginko. And here's a final quick review of these 5 important kanji. So this was just a basic few kanji for starters. I'll continue with a few more topic-related specific kanji in the next little while including important kanji for directions, restaurants, food, transportation, and more. So please check in for more essential kanji soon. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos from Japan.